Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare greens powder versus vegetables. We will explore the unique benefits each offers for your health. Understanding their differences can help you make informed decisions about your daily nutrition. Whether you are looking for convenience or comprehensive goodness, we will help you decide which option or combination best suits your wellness journey. This comparison will highlight key aspects of both. Greens powders provide a powerful nutrient boost in a convenient form. Just one scoop can deliver the equivalent of several servings of vegetables, packed with vitamins and minerals. They are perfect for busy mornings or when fresh produce is scarce. Many formulations also include beneficial probiotics and digestive enzymes, supporting a healthy gut and improved nutrient absorption. Whole vegetables are the gold standard for comprehensive nutrition. They naturally contain abundant dietary fiber, crucial for digestive health and promoting feelings of fullness. Beyond vitamins, vegetables offer thousands of unique phytonutrients and antioxidants that work synergistically to protect your body. Enjoying a variety of whole vegetables supports long-term wellness and vitality. When deciding, remember that greens powder can be an excellent supplement, especially if your daily vegetable intake falls short. However, whole vegetables provide an unmatched spectrum of nutrients, fiber, and beneficial compounds. For optimal health, consider incorporating both into your routine. A balanced approach ensures you receive maximum nutritional benefits every single day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.